Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin SushiSwap. SushiSwap has risen up by 96% over the last 1 month. How high do we think SushiSwap will go before the end of the year? What's our exit target for SushiSwap? What's our exit plan? Altseason is around the corner. Right now we're in an altcoin month. We're waiting for altseason. The last 1 month has seen altcoin outperforming Bitcoin on a monthly time, on a seasonal time frame. We're waiting for that confirmation. There's great new cryptocurrency market right now. We're waiting for that sweet extreme greed that will lead altcoins pumping aggressively to the moon. We're going to take a look at the SushiSwap US dollar price chart. We're going to take a look at SushiSwap's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Also looking at SushiSwap's market cap. How high do we expect it to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
The last 1 month has seen SushiSwap rallying up to as high as $1.14. SushiSwap has been in a very brutal bear market. In its first full crypto bear market, we saw SushiSwap dumping to as low as $0.53. Right now, we've rallied up by more than 100%. The altcoin market is having a great time. It's having a very great month. We're waiting for that wonderful alt-season pump. But guys, I told you guys in the previous video, I don't expect to see Uniswap pumping to new all-time highs. Right now, we're seeing a lot of indicators telling us maybe, just maybe, that rally is coming to an end. Why will you be selling your Uniswap for some sweet profits? Remember, guys, you're here to buy the lows, you're here to sell the highs, you're here to accumulate in the bear market, and you're here to sell during the bull market when the market is pumping, when we're seeing altcoins having a great time, just like they're doing right now. Let's take a look at some details about SushiSwap. SushiSwap is trading around the $1.14 level with a market cap of $264 million. SushiSwap has a total value locked of $287 million. It has a circulating supply of 231 million Sushi tokens. Maximum supply sitting at 250 million Sushi tokens. Sushi all-time high happened on the 13th of May 2021. It was trading for as high as $23. And SushiSwap is an example of an automated market maker, an increasingly popular tool among cryptocurrency users. AMM are decentralized exchanges which use smart contracts to create markets for any given pair of token. Right now, the altcoin market is bubbling. Right now, the altcoin market is outperforming Bitcoin, and SushiSwap is joining in the party. While we're not expecting SushiSwap to pump to new all-time highs, while we're expecting us to face a lot of resistance as we're making our way to the moon. I believe we'll see SushiSwap rallying to as high as $5. I don't believe we'll be seeing new all-time highs before the end of the year. If we see SushiSwap rally to that $5 level for when we're currently trading, we will need SushiSwap to pump by more than 390% for us to get there. A 390% pump before the end of the year, guys, is something to actually write home about. If we take a look at what SushiSwap has done since when it was launched, we had a huge dump to gobbling time, about 90% before that bull market started. And when the bull market started, when we saw Altseason in 2021, Altseason was glorious. SushiSwap rallied up by 4,800%. But now, the times are different. In the previous bull market, we saw Bitcoin at new all-time highs before the altcoin market started pumping aggressively. Right now, Bitcoin has not pumped to new all-time highs. Right now, the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, has not gotten to new all-time highs. So it makes us to beg the question, are we going to see altcoins also pumping to new all-time highs? I want to believe that they won't, because Bitcoin has not. So we still need SushiSwap to rally above that $2 level. Is very, very important. The last time we saw SushiSwap trading above $2 was way back in October of 2022. The $5.3 level is where I see us facing a lot of resistance. That $5.3 level is where I see a lot of market participants selling for some sweet profit. If you got some SushiSwap at the $0.53 level, if you sell at 5.3, you would have seen more than 900% profit, which is very, very good to see. Guys, these pumps in the altcoin market, they come very, very quickly, and they finish before a lot of people are aware that we're already pumping. The last pump that happened for SushiSwap saw the pump last 126 days. And if we're going to assume this pump is going to last 126 days, it started on the 9th of October, 126 days from the day that pump started, we'll see the pump ending in around February of 2024. And most of the pump will happen before we get to the end. When we get to the end, you see less than 50 to 100%. So at that 5.3, dollar level, I'm sure a lot of people will be taking some profits off the table. We on this channel that will be accumulating down in Goblin Town will be taking some profits off the table. Where can you get some SushiSwap if you want to get some for yourself? You can get some SushiSwap on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. SushiSwap is currently outperforming Bitcoin. But guys, I believe this is the beginning of the big pump we're going to see for SushiSwap at the end of the year against Bitcoin. Bitcoin has had a very great time in 2023 pumping, but right now I believe the altcoin market is taking over. I believe SushiSwap will join in the party, outperforming Bitcoin, maybe 100, 200, even as high as 300% before the end of the year. The altcoin market has that ability to rally up against Bitcoin. Altcoins have that special ability to dump to Goblin Town against Bitcoin when the market is bearish. But when we get bullish, you see them pumping to higher values. You see a lot of people running back to the altcoin market after leaving the altcoin market during the bear market. The bull market brings them back. Extreme greed brings them back to the altcoin market. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. That's what you want to see. Those are the early signs of Altseason. You want to see great in the cryptocurrency market. You want to see altcoins doing very well. And you want to see the altcoin season index telling us on a monthly time frame, we're in an altcoin month. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're in an altcoin month. An altcoin month eventually leads us to an alt season. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin go up by 6.5%. But the last 1 month has also seen a lot of altcoins having a very great time. The altcoin market has been bubbling. And if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that will officially lead us to an alt season. But we're not there yet, guys. I believe an alt season still lies in 2023. History has shown us over the years, we get an alt season at least once a year. We've not gotten an alt season in 2023. Are we going to get one? All the conditions are ready for an alt season. All the conditions are met. We're seeing greed in the cryptocurrency market. We just need one notch up to see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. All coins are already performing better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin has given us that initial pump, which is what you want to see. The altcoin market follows Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is not having a great time, don't expect to have a nice party in the altcoin market. But right now, Bitcoin is having a great time. The altcoin market is having a great time. You want to plan your exit targets for all these altcoins, including SushiSwap, guys. You want to plan your trade and you want to trade your plan. If not, you are working in someone else's plan. If not, you'll be left holding the bag in the end. We saw SushiSwap's market cap get to the $112 million level. But that's not what we expect to see end the year. We're still bullish on SushiSwap's market cap. I expect to see the market cap attempt to get as high as $1 billion. For us to rally to that $1 billion level, we need to see SushiSwap rally up by more than 200% from where we are currently trading. And the altcoin market is very volatile, guys. Like 200% pump can happen in 1 week. It can even happen in 3 days. I've seen way crazier things happen in the altcoin market. If SushiSwap's market cap gets to that $1 billion level, we'll see the price rallying. We'll see a lot of FOMO in the market, and we'll be selling for some sweet profits. We want to be doing opposite of what the crowd is doing. So as people are running to buy some SushiSwap, expecting to continue rallying in price, expecting to continue pumping to the moon, we're going to be selling for some sweet profits as we were accumulating when we were down in Goblin Town. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see SushiSwap going in the coming days and coming weeks? It currently trades around the $1.14 level. Do you see us stopping at the $5.3 level, or do you think I'm bearish? Do you think a new all-time highs is possible before we enter next year? I've been hearing rumbles of we can pump to new all-time highs, guys. For us to pump to new all-time highs, we have to see SushiSwap rally up crazy. Or see SushiSwap from now to the end of the year give us a 2,000% pump. Do you think we're going to see that pump? It's extreme. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. If we see extreme greed, we eventually enter an altcoin season. What's your own price? What's your own target? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.